This video is brought to you by Kapara Productions. Let's begin. The word shell is a unique word in Hebrew that doesn't have an English equivalent. You absolutely cannot speak Hebrew without using it in nearly any conversation you'd have. In this video, I'll show you how to use it and how to conjugate it. Please notice that this is a beginner video, so if you are an advanced student, you can check out my other awesome videos instead. Shel literally means belonging to. Please notice, when you construct a sentence with the word shel, you'll have to add the word ha before the noun. It would be ha something shel someone. Let's look at some examples. זו המסעדה של שמואל. This is Shmuel's restaurant. Notice how I put the ha before the word restaurant, basically saying, this is the restaurant that belongs to Shmuel. The word belonging might be a little too much, meaning Shmuel doesn't necessarily own the restaurant, he could just be working there, but this would be equivalent to the apostrophe S in English. של מי הילד הזה? Whose child is this? אני הולכת לבית של דינה. I'm going to Dina's house. In this sentence, the le, meaning to, combined with the ha, meaning the, forms la, or to the, when I said לבית. זה הז'קט של מיכאל או של אלי? Is this Michael's or Ellie's jacket? In all the previous examples, we have the word shel followed by a person. However, we can also conjugate the word shel together with a pronoun to turn it into my, your, his, her, etc. Let's see how we conjugate it. In the singular persons, shel plus ani equals sheli, or my. Shel plus ata equals shelcha, your, to a singular male. Shel plus at equals shelach, your, to a singular female. Shel plus hu equals shelo, his. Shel plus he equals shela, her. Let's look at the plurals. Shel plus אנחנו, שלנו, our. Shel plus אתם, שלכם, your, to men in plural. Shel plus אתן, your, to women in plural. Shel plus הם, their, to men in plural. Shel plus הן, שלהן, their, to women in plural. Don't forget, as in the previous examples, when you construct a sentence with one of these words, you'll have to add the word ha before the noun, as in הבית שלי גדול מאוד, meaning the house that belongs to me is very big, or in English, my house is very big. הילדים שלכם כל כך חכמים. Your kids are so smart. איפה המשרד שלך? Where is your office? זה שלך? כן, זה שלי. Is this yours? Yes, this is mine. In this sentence, I didn't have a noun, but rather a pronoun. Therefore, I didn't add the word ha. הכלב שלנו בבית של עדינה. Our dog is at Adina's house. Notice how I used in this sentence both the conjugated shell and the regular shell. The rule of adding the letter hey before the noun always occurs, no matter if we're speaking about a singular noun or in plural, or if there is one or more so-called owners of the noun. The main exception to this rule is when we are speaking about a family member, such as your mom or dad, or when we're saying someone's name. Examples: אמא שלי לא בבית. My mom isn't at home. Please notice how I didn't say האמא שלי, as that would be incorrect. אבא שלי יושב על הספה. My dad is sitting on the sofa. אני מתגעגעת אליך, דניאל שלי. I miss you, my Daniel. או, פריז שלי, כמה אני אוהב אותך. Oh, my Paris, how much I love you. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye.